Dear viewers, previous video was about the importance of first aid, and in this video you will learn about the medicine used during the first aid. First aid medicine refers to the initial care provided to a person who has been injured or suddenly taken ill before full medical treatment can be provided. The aim of first aid is to stabilize the person's condition, prevent the situation from worsening, and promote recovery. First aid medicine can include over the counter medications such as number 1, pain relievers. These may include acetaminophen, which is also called paracetamol, ibuprofen or aspirin for relieving pain and reducing fever. Number 2, antihistamines. These can help relieve symptoms of allergies such as itching, sneezing, or hives. Number 3, antiseptics. These are used to clean wounds and prevent infection. Common antiseptics include hydrogen peroxide, rubbing alcohol, and iodine solution. Number 4, topical antibiotics. These are applied to minor cuts, scrapes, and burns to prevent infection. Examples include bacitracin, neomycin, and triple antibiotic ointments. Number 5, burn creams or gels. These are used to soothe and protect minor burns. They may contain ingredients like lidocaine or aloe vera. Number 6, antidiarrheal medications. These may be used to treat diarrhea caused by mild gastrointestinal issues. Examples include loperamide, that is Imodium, or bismuth subsalicylate, that is Pepto-Bismol. Number 7, antacids. These can help relieve heartburn or indigestion. They work by neutralizing stomach acid. Examples are calcium carbonate, that is TUMS, or magnesium hydroxide, that is Molox. Number 8, anti-nausea medications. These can help alleviate symptoms of nausea or motion sickness. Examples are dimethylhydrinate, that is Dramamine, or Meclizine, that is Bonine. Summary. It's important to note that while these medications can be helpful in providing temporary relief or preventing further complications, they should be used according to package instructions and under the guidance of a health professional, especially if the individual has underlying health conditions or is taking other medications. Additionally, first aid goes beyond medication and often involves actions like wound care, splinting CPR, and calling for emergency medical assistance when necessary. This was all about first aid medicine. If you like this video, please share and subscribe it. Thanks.